It all starts with our trade-qualified sales technicians and CAD/CAM design support team to get your project underway, keeping it on time and on budget. Inside the factory, our laser cutting area has 5 stations. Our laser cutting technology is headlined by the Trumpf True Laser 3030, with tubular cutting capability and the 3060 fibre optic laser, able to precision cut in excess of 30 millimetres thick with a sheet feed of up to 6 metres. Across at bending, forming and guillotining, our team can shape steel and aluminium into almost anything you want. We have a 320-tonne press capacity at a 4-metre maximum sheet length. And our extensive tooling rack means we most likely have the resource on hand to get the job done without any delay. With our Trumpf True Punch 5000 machine, we can punch, perforate, emboss with absolute precision, indexed to a 360-degree tool rotation. Our heavy fabrication area says a lot about Rockpress's reputation. The heavy transport, rail, aviation and mining industries rely on our expertise to deliver critical components using carbon steels, stainless steel and aluminium. And we are one of a select few metal fabricators in Queensland to hold full certified welding qualifications. Keeping pace with fabrication technology is important to us, demonstrated by our dedicated cobalt welding zone. And our automated beam welder is revolutionising steel beam construction, delivering absolute weld quality and unparalleled delivery times, ideal for heavy transport, trailer and rail chassis fabrication. Our light fabrication area is where we do some of our finest work, getting the minute details right to create precision componentry. Every piece has its place in our production chain. Our machining centre is about milling and turning metal into components that matter. Intricate, detailed, exact. That's what we do best. And with our quality assurance accreditations, perfection is everything at Rockpress. Powder coating, wet spraying, garnet blasting, metal spraying and glass bead blasting. We know we can put the right finishing touch on your metal project without leaving the Rockpress factory.